Hi, greetings from Istanbul, Turkey. My name is Okan and I'm one of the founders of Neurolize. Here are my teammates Çağlar, Tuğçe, Tuna, Arzu and Metin. As you may know, neuromarketing is an interdisciplinary field that combines neuroscience, marketing and psychology. To that mix, we also added entrepreneurship and computer science in order to create a business that just doesn't implement neuromarketing but also improves it. Neuromarketing is in its very early stages, but it already started to change the market research industry, and experts believe in the next 10 years it will be a standard procedure. Among many different neuromarketing techniques, EEG method by far is the most widely used. However, this method creates very complicated and big data sets that had to be analyzed carefully, and which is very hard to do without computer aid. Neurolize had faced the very same problem, and in order to solve it, we created a new software that is based on academic literature, which makes this analyzing procedure much more easier and faster. When one of the biggest market research firms in Turkey asked us to license our product, we realized that this need applied to all and that our software has the potential to go global. Of course, there are some tests and adjustments to be made, but we believe this is an achievement that we can have. In order to complete this project, first we need to test our existing algorithms in a new market and see if they reflect the real-time situation as they do it in Turkey. Moreover, since it's forbidden in Turkey to test on alcoholic beverages and tobacco products, we need a new R&D period that we can work on those algorithms, which is an area that we want to expand. Thus, we need a country that we can test and try to improve our system, which has a similar agricultural product but a different culture. Startup Chile program is the perfect program for us to do it because we will need financial aid and guidance throughout this new market environment. And Chile has the Mediterranean climate just as Turkey, which makes this testing environment better place for us. Moreover, according to the SOMAR report, which is the most respected report of the market research industry, Latin American market research industry grows faster than the rest of the world, and neuromarketing is very popular, especially at Brazil, that we want to take advantage of this. We believe better market research leads to better choices, which creates the great brands. And if we were selected to this program, we think we might help Chilean, especially agro-food sector, to expand through better market research. As a result, we think Startup Chile is the perfect program for us to accomplish our goals, and Chile would be a great base for our global operations. Moreover, we think we will bring great value to Chile and Startup Chile program, so we will be really grateful if you choose to select us. Thank you.